Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the third day morning session of 13th Lesser International 2020. Today, we have gathered here for the event Jingles.
Prayer is not asking. Prayer is putting oneself in the hands of God and listening to His voice in the depth of our hearts. So, it is over to the choir for the school prayer.
Consciousness expresses itself through creation. This world we live in is the music of the Creator. Musicians come and go in the twinkling of an eye, but the music lives on. Rhymes give soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Express your music, share your enthusiasm, dance and sing to your music. Make today worth remembering. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you all that the 9 finalists have been shortlisted on the basis of the following criteria. 20% weightage has been given to polling and 80% weightage has been given to the opinion of the judges. The decision of the judges will be final. Now, I would like to introduce you all to our eminent judges. Our first judge is Dr. Vidhi Nagar. She is an associate professor of Kathak and former head of the dance department at Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. She has received Uttar Pradesh Sangeet Natak Sangeet Academy Award, Acharya Bharat International Award, Rani Lakshmi Bai Samman, Sudarshan Samman, and many more. Our second judge is Max Massey. He is the founder member of Trishna the band, runner-up of India's Got Talent Season 7. He was a member of Indian Idol and runner-up of Idea Rocks India 2009. A huge round of applause for our judges. We expect that all the participants are here. Before viewing their presentation, I'll call out the names of the participants who will have to introduce themselves live. Our first participant is Precious Conrad Chatri. Precious, please introduce yourself. Yes, you are audible.
Precious, can you please introduce yourself again?
Good morning. My name is Precious Conrad Chatri. I'm from Varanasi, from W.H. Smith Memorial School. Thank you.
Cease to celebrate every moment of the day and ease excitement. I won't let it fade away. And else is to love, green, saffron, white or gray. And ease enlightenment, seek it when you kneel in prayer. S is to stand strong in the dark hours of the day. And T is to trust yourself and God will make a way. And A is the attitude of gratitude. Will take you beyond what words can say. So let's start 2020. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Precious. Our second participant is Kautilya Tiwari. Kautilya, please introduce yourself.
Good morning. My name is Kautilya Tiwari and I am from Rudrapur, Uttarakhand. गंगा की धारा, हिमालय की चोटी, पहाड़ों की वादियाँ, सादी भाषा बोली, मिट्टी के घरों में चूल्हों की रोटी, गाँव की गरम चाय, आओ पिए इस ठंड में, आओ ना, आओ ना, आओ उत्तराखंड में, आओ ना, आओ ना, आओ उत्तराखंड में, डार डारूरू, डार डारूरू, डार डारूरू, डार डारूरू.
Thank you, Kautilya. Our next participant is Anjor Singh. Anjor, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anjor Singh. I'm 14 years old and I am from APS Nehru Road. I live in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Thank you.
Yeah, I've been waiting for this time to come. The hall is set and the tan is done. I'll sing this song out loud so my voice can reach the sun. Bring out the folk and the humor too. Let's provoke the inner human too. Happiness in the air. I wanna howl out loud and sing. Celesta's here, it's here. Pull out that dress and set your hair. It's here, it's here. In it, there's 1,000 layers. It's here, it's here. Pull out that dress and set your hair. It's here. Celesta's here. You ever wonder if you could sing or sketch your heart out because you thought was a stupid thing? The Hindus, Muslims, the blacks and whites, the tricolor through every day and night. Celesta's here, it's here. Pull out that dress and set your hair. It's here, it's here. In it, there's 1,000 layers. It's here, it's here. Pull out that dress and set your hair. It's here, Celesta's here.
Thank you so much, Anjur, for your presentation. Our next participant is Naba Nadeem. Naba, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Naba Nadeem from City Montessori School, Rajayanagar Campus 1, Lucknow, India.
CMS Aliganj 1 has arranged for us an event to clash the swords between the brilliant minds of India and abroad. In the middle of a pandemic, melancholy creeping in, you just need a bit to live and celebrate. We have a right thing for you, a 4-day-long cultural fiesta whose name is Celesta. Distance can break our spirits when there are no limits. Wear your glasses, take out devices, it's time to participate. Even though dancing, singing or mask designing, there's also a place for stand-up comedy, poetry or some jingling. So get out of your blankets, no need to be frantic. Just get ready for a cultural fiesta whose name is Celesta.
Thank you, Naba. Our next participant is Mrinal Sahai. Mrinal, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mrinal Sahai. I presently study in 11th grade at City Montessori School, Kanpur Road campus. My age is 15 years and I belong to Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. For this grand event, I have composed a beautiful jingle. Hope you like and enjoy it.
Celesta musical fiesta, Celesta musical fiesta, Celesta musical fiesta, Celesta musical fiesta. Moonlight in the gloomy night is shining on this musical light. Moonlight in the gloomy night is shining on this musical light. No sooner melody touches my ears than I'm out of all my fears. Celesta musical fiesta, Celesta musical fiesta, Celesta musical fiesta, Celesta musical fiesta. The beats realign my heart's rhythm. Let me lead the rain and follow this dance. The beats realign my heart's rhythm. Let me lead
Thank you so much, Mrinal. Our next participant is Ananya Pandey. Ananya, please introduce yourself. Ananya, are you here? It seems Ananya got disconnected. She was here a few moments ago. There must be some connectivity issue at her end. Never mind, let us proceed with the presentation.
Music is fun, music is life. It's the medicine to cure strife. Music directly touches our soul. Hear the language plays no role. Music relaxes our mind. No stress, it has much more to find. Indiana jam, Paris or Munich. The soul of music is a vein from Munich. So let's keep singing. Let's keep bringing music, 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 music.
Thank you, Ananya. Our next participant is Zaid Ali Bharti. Zaid, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. This is Zaid Ali Bharti. I live in Kota, Rajasthan, and my school name is Sir Padampat Singhania School.
जीतेंगे ये जंग, हम 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 जीतेंगे ये जंग। शिक्षा के मंदिर में बच्चे फिर से पढ़ेंगे, होगी फिर से पढ़ाई, मस्ती फिर से करेंगे। सोशल डिस्टेंस का हम सब पालन करके कोरोना से हम सब मिल कर के लड़ेंगे। हम जीतेंगे ये जंग, 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 हम जीतेंगे ये जंग।
Thank you so much, Zaid. Our next participant is Aditya Pratap Singh Negi. Aditya, please introduce yourself.
Good morning and Jai Jagat to one and all present here. I am Aditya Pratap Singh Negi from City Montessori School, Rajajaypuram, Campus 1, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India, and I present before you a jingle composed by me.
Celesta, 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 East and West in Exotica. Celesta, 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 East and West in Exotica. A day of blessings and cheers, Celesta is a treat for the years. A day of blessings and cheers, Celesta is a treat for the years. Celesta, 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 East and West in Exotica. Rise up in gaiety and piano, melody and harmony as we unfold. Piano, flute and violin, the theme of unity we usher in. Celesta 2020 as we bring, gaily and merrily all must sing. A balm for the soul, Celesta's far-reaching goal. Weave your magic with your words. Glory and music will fill your world. A day of melody in plenty. We bring you Celesta 2020. Lyrics are than words. For Celesta, all must rehearse. Celesta, 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 East and West in Exotica. Celesta, 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 East and West in Exotica.
Thank you, Aditya. Our last participant is Sunamra Divedi. Sunamra, please introduce yourself. Sunamra, are you there with us? Please introduce yourself. Oh, it seems she has got disconnected. Just a few moments ago she was there. There must be some connectivity issue at her end. Never mind, let's proceed with her presentation.
आओ नफरत मिटा के जलाए दिए प्यार के आओ नफरत मिटा के जलाए दिए प्यार के गम मिले तो उसके सहलो न घबरा तुम हार के आओ नफरत मिटा के जलाए दिए प्यार के एक सुर एक ताल एक गीत जिंदगी में भर देंगे संगीत एक सुर एक ताल एक गीत ऊंचे इरादे हैं अपने हाथों में तूफान है डर क्या है और हार क्या हम इससे अनजान हैं ऊंचे इरादे हैं अपने हाथों में तूफान है डर क्या है और हार क्या हम इससे अनजान हैं बनाना है हमको तो ऐसा जहां नफरत की दीवार ना हो जहां संगीत का हो समा संगीत का हो समा एक सुर एक ताल एक गीत.
Thank you so much, Sunamra. Now, I would like to request our esteemed judges to throw light on the performances that we have witnessed. Dr. Vidhi Nagar, ma'am, would you like to share your opinion with us?
Namaskar to all, and it would be a very great pleasure to be a part of Celesta 2020. First of all, I would like to thank all the coordinators, principal, and Kanchan madam, Ritu ma'am. Thank you all. Yeah, Kanchan madam, I can see you. Hello. I would like to share one more thing before I tell anything about participants, that I am a part of Celesta from last 15 years. I can show you. This is the a very good memento. Mrs. Gauri Khanna, she gave me, and I remember she was the principal of Aliganj. I hope she was there or not. I don't know. But I remember her every time, and this is a very pretty Celesta memento. Is always with me. And after that, I being a part of Celesta, I think in 2009. That time it was organized in CMS main building, in main auditorium. So I am a part of Celesta from last 15 years, and thank you मुझे याद करने के लिए, और बहुत बहुत बधाई सभी को इस आयोजन के लिए, और स्पेशली सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स को. सबने बहुत अच्छा किया, लेकिन जैसा कि होता है, कोई थोड़ा सा आगे होता है, कोई थोड़ा पीछे होता है, लेकिन जिनको प्राइजेस नहीं भी मिले उनको मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगी कि आप लोगों ने भी बहुत अच्छा किया, पर कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी सी कमी रह गई होगी जो फर्स्ट कोई और आया. और इन फ्यूचर भी आप लोगों को बहुत सारे कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, बहुत सारी बधाई, क्योंकि ये जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हम लोग करते हैं, पार्टिसिपेंट करते हैं इन चीज़ों में, कल्चरल इवेंट्स में, ये हमारे जो पूरा पर्सोना होता है उसको ये निखारने का इतना सुंदर काम करता है कि आपको आज नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि ये आपने जिंगल कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया, लेकिन इन फ्यूचर जब आप बड़े होकर के पीछे मुड़ के देखेंगे तो आपको बहुत बहुत प्राउड फील होगा कि मैंने इन सब में पार्टिसिपेट किया और इतना सुंदर मौका आपको सिटी मॉन्टेसरी ने दिया. वंस अगेन कांग्रेचुलेट टू ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट्स एंड ऑर्गेनाइजर्स. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Since Mr. Max Massey has not been able to join us today, he has sent his recorded message for all the participants. Let us listen to his message.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, and the teachers for calling me here and to be a part of this beautiful music competition, Celesta. It was a great time to hear all these students, and they are doing really good in music. And I pray that they would grow more day by day musically, and they would learn more. And my best wishes to all these students. And this was a great time. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. We thank each one of our honorable judges for their valuable opinion on this event and enlightening us with their words of wisdom. Well, we witnessed a lot of amazing and praiseworthy performances. Each was one step ahead of the other. But a competition is a competition. So, among the 10 finalists, we will send the link to 5 participants who will be nominated for the prize distribution ceremony on the 17th of October 2020 at 5:30 p.m. Each of the participants will receive a participation certificate as a token of appreciation of their effort and talent. Music can so effectively give an outward form to an inner experience. Celesta aims at preserving our rich culture and tradition by stimulating the minds of the youth to express, expand, and explore the world through music. We, at this cultural festival, celebrate music and cultural diversity, which brings us together. On this note, we come to the end of this event. I would like to thank our eminent judges, all the participants, and the distinguished guests for taking time out of their busy schedule and gracing this event with their presence. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Celesta, it's an international musical fiesta. It's an international musical fiesta. Seeds of passion, peace, emotion, and is love for every human. He's the echo of good thoughts and sense. S is sound which is present. Peace dominates auditorium. Baby, show up performance. Music is the food of soul. So chant